palpability of power. But it's surely time that those journalists who work in the great media institutions analyze the myths and assumptions that influence everything they do, and that they begin to clear away the ideological rubble that buries so much real news and truth about the world. Ordinary journalists may not have the power of Murdoch or Burt, of course, but they are not powerless. They might begin by seeing themselves as agents of people, not agents of power, as participants, not innocent bystanders. In their own organizations, they can challenge, they can argue, and they can, if it comes to it, refuse. For instance, they can reclaim the language that is so casually abused these days. Words like reform and free market and democracy have become Orwellian jargon that cry out for decoding, not parroting. Take the word moderate, an old favorite that has long neatly divided those people acceptable and unacceptable to the establishment. Trade unionists are notoriously categorized in this way still. In the 1930s, the US government described Hitler as a moderate, standing between left and right in Germany. So was Mussolini a moderate, and Saddam Hussein was a moderate. Suharto, one of the great butchers of the late 20th century, is still called a moderate. Journalists use the terms globalization, humanitarian intervention, and preventative diplomacy as if they mean what they say. But what these are vital propaganda terms, euphemisms of a new imperialism, an imperialism that is seeking the same control over people and resources as ever before, but an imperialism that dares not speak his name. The word, of course, is never used. We have much to learn from journalists who struggle in a very different world from this one. I have many friends among them.